Presenting the new Logitech G29 driving force racing wheel and floor pedals. It also has other variant G923. Materials: wheel spokes, anodized aluminium; wheel cover, hand-stitched leather; steering shaft, steel; shifter paddles, brushed stainless steel; mounting clamps, glass-filled nylon; pedal frame and arms, cold-rolled steel; pedal faces, brushed stainless steel; pedal piston sleeves, polyoxymethylene thermoplastic; wheel rotation, 900 degrees lock to lock; Hall effect steering sensor; dual motor force feedback and overheat safeguard; pedals, non-linear brake pedal; patented carpet grip system; textured heel grip and self-calibrating. It has easy access gaming controls, D-pads, buttons, paddle shifters, LED indicator lights, 24-point selection dial and plus-minus buttons. System requirements: G29 PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 3, powered USB port or Windows 10, 8.1, Windows 8 or Windows 7, Mac OS 10.10 Plus. It weighs 2.2 kilograms and comes in the dimension of 27.8 into 26 into 27 centimeters. The 6-speed manual gear shifting mechanism provides an unmatched experience. The mounting hardware inside the package is steering wheel, pedals, power adapter and user documentation. It has internet connection and 150 MB hard drive space for optional software download and games that support Logitech Force Feedback Racing Wheel, and it supports Logitech gaming software.